Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Affinity Designer on PC in 2026. So if you want to create logos, vector art, social media graphics, or professional designs, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, download Affinity Designer from the official website and install it on your PC. Once the software opens, you'll see the main design workspace. Next, click New Document and choose your project size, so you can create designs for logos, posters, YouTube thumbnails, or social media posts. Now explore the main tools on the left side. I mean the Move tool, Pen tool, Shape tool, and Text tool are the most important for beginners. So yeah, start creating your design using shapes, text, and colors. You can customize fonts, gradients, and object styles easily. Next, organize your design using layers and alignment tools. This helps keep everything clean and professionally arranged. Finally, click File and then Export to save your project. So you can export designs as PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. And that's how to use Affinity Designer on PC in 2026. Once you learn the basic tools and layers, creating professional graphics becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more graphic design tutorials.